Good morning, everyone. Today we're flying to San Diego. We're gonna go have lunch over there to this very popular burger place called Hodad'S. It's a family-owned business since the 1960s. It's very, very popular, and that's where we're gonna take the dogs to the daycare, and then we're gonna head to the airport. I guess they have two locations. One is in Ocean Beach, and the other one is in downtown. Are you guys ready to go? We just arrived to San Diego, and it's so cold, and I'm starving, and it's only 9 in the morning, and the restaurant opens at 11. So we're just gonna go to the beach and walk for a little while. We just arrived. It's not as cold as it was when we left the airport, but it's a beautiful day. I love that down here everything is pet friendly. This is so beautiful. So at first I thought these were whales, but they're surfers. From far away they look like they're whales. There's a lot of people staying in RVs. Well, not really RVs, just van right there. I guess that's where they live. I would live like that. Don't have to worry about paying rent, car payment. Just live wherever. I would do that. Bueno, pues estoy aquí sentada en unas piedras aquí, viendo los surfers agarrando la ola. Es bien relajante, bien relajante. Hace tiempo que no veía el mar. Estaba en Miami, pero no fuimos para la playa. We are at Dogs Beach, as they call it. Alright, it's hot as balls, so I took my sweater off, and someone is cleaning her shoes from all the sand. Holy shit, it got hot very fast. Maybe because we're walking.
Yo te imagino a ti así, ver a esa muchacha.
So we're walking to the burger joint right now. The owner of this burger joint died in 2015 of a sudden heart attack. He was only 56 years old. So, wow. Enjoy life. Don't hold grudges. Travel, enjoy, make memories. If you're a materialistic person, buy whatever the fuck you want. We can be here today, but not tomorrow. Let's go check it out. All gone. Alright, we just left Hodad'S and it was excelente. It was great. I had the Guido burger, which is a burger with pastrami because I love pastrami. And now we are gonna go walk to the beach for a little while and we head to the airport. We catch a flight in a few hours and I got some candy. Bueno, pues ya comimos y ya mismo nos vamos. Estamos aquí relajándonos un poco. Caminamos un poco para bajar la comida y vamos a agarrar un Uber para el aeropuerto y nos vamos. Mañana vamos para San Francisco a ver a mi papá. Hasta mañana.